Hi guys, welcoming you to a morning routine. Today I want to make a cake for the kids. So what we're going to be needing is butter, 4 eggs, milk, flour, baking powder, vanilla, sugar, a mixing bowl for the dry ingredients, mixing bowl for the wet ingredients. So I'm going to start by putting the butter and the eggs and whisking them up here. Then not the butter and the eggs, the butter and the sugar, I cream them in here, and then I will mix the flour, the baking powder in here, and then I will just mix them all together. And this is the baking tray that we're going to be using just for the fun of it. 6:25. We are still supposed to be going to school, so hopefully this is going to be ready before then. If not, they are just going to have it when they come back from school. So let me mix this up. Before we leave, I want to put this meat to be boiling so that when I come back I can just fry it and then I can sleep. Then dinner or lunch can be ready whenever it's ready, and I can just have my whole day to rest. As you can tell from my voice, I am still trying to wake up. As we were leaving, the car didn't have enough fuel, so I decided instead of risking, let me just fuel it and then I can take the kids to school. I'm back home. The kids are all in school in good time. My cake is ready. When we were leaving, I turned off the oven, so I just left it to cook with the remaining heat as the oven was cooling down, and I think it turned out pretty good. The ingredients, I don't know if I put the measurements, but I'll probably put them down in the description box. With baking, it is just trial and error until you get it right, and also it depends on your hands. Sometimes they come out very well, sometimes they backfire, but you just have to keep trying until it works out for you. Now I'm just going to fry this meat, and then once I am done, I am heading to bed to relax and sleep and get my rest, because I am feeling very tired. I had a very early morning today, and I need my rest. So once I am done with the meat, I am going to go and rest. Then I will wake up and see you guys once I am up. This is a mama's day, normal mama's day, typical day in my life. We are back home. I have gotten my 10,000 steps for the day. I am so proud. Getting 10,000 steps in a day is usually not very easy, because it means you have to allocate like an hour just to get the steps. And today is not one of those days that I have the energy to go gallivanting and walking around. So I have just accumulated my steps as I went along with my day. So I want to clean my bathroom, because I know if I do not, I am not going to find the energy to do it. It has been a while since I did a deep clean, and I am not even going to show them before, because it is very gross and it is very embarrassing. I have a lot of grime, especially on the floors and where the soap splashes. So I am not even going to embarrass myself like that. So anyway, the products that I'm going to be using are this mold and mildew and the scrub-free bathroom cleaner, or whatever it is called. And then, of course, I have my brush. The brush part is in the car, but I don't feel like going for it. So I'm just going to use the sponge for now. And then I have a steam cleaner, which I'm going to use once I am done scrubbing. I will just steam the whole area and then rinse and wipe it down. So hopefully this is going to give you encouragement to clean your bathroom, even on those days that you don't feel like doing it. Because as you can tell today, my energy is very, very low. I have been working, and honestly, working and taking care of a family is honestly not the easiest of things. And eh, you can never be ready. You can never get used to it even. But we just take a day at a time and do what you can according to your energy. So let's clean this bathroom up. And then once I am done, I will go to the bedroom, straighten out my bed, change my beddings, and then we will go to the kitchen and make dinner.
Give me some time to get stronger. I'll be okay, just give me a little bit longer. Yeah, we're gonna win the struggle we're in. It's never goodbye till it's over. Come back to love. I was so crazy to lose you. Just come back to love. Let's never do what we used to. Leaving without saying, teasing without playing. I've had enough. So come back to love. Too late, but here I am reaching my arm out. I want us to win the struggle we're in. It's never goodbye till it's over. time will be different. Let's make a decision now. So come back to love. I was so crazy to lose you. Just come back to love. Let's never do what we used to. Living without saying, teasing without playing. I've had enough. So come back to
I do not have a justification, honestly, onto why my sink always goes through a reset and a reset and a reset. I don't understand. Like, every time I am doing a bathroom cleaning, I don't think there's any day that my sink area is in the original state that I left it. So, for example, like now I am cleaning it, but then come back 2 weeks later when I want to do a deep clean and it is just upside down. Hey, anyway, this just shows you that we are living. It is not about perfection, it is about getting the routine in. Because I cannot start justifying why and how this sink always has things on top of it. And I think I have also said this in a different video that it is just that discipline of when you remove something and putting it back to its original place. I don't know. I think it just takes time to get used to it. So, for example, if I remove my makeup and I am in a rush, or I am not going to put it back, I'm just going to leave it there and then I'll say, I'll deal with it later. And then I don't deal with it until it is a day to deep clean like this. Do I have a problem? Nope. I am a human being. I also don't know if I am the only one I was looking at my shower and I'm like, other people have so many products in their showers. Connie, what are you doing with all these products? Because for me, I just have my shower gel, hubby's shower gel, what else? And my face wash, nothing else. I don't know what the other millions of products are that people usually have in their bathrooms. For me, I'm a very simple girl. It's not, life is never that complicated.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare. And I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare. And I wanna take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare. And I wanna take you there.
I don't know what's up with my lighting today, but just like my energy today, lighting yangu iko down. I am sorry, but I hope that you're able to see what I am doing without being bothered too much by the different lightings. I don't know what my phone was doing. Anyway, here is a good idea of how you can make your bed and just mix and match and have a different design from the norm. I love my give it to God and go to sleep pillowcase. That is always something that I need almost every night because sometimes you can really toss and turn before you go to bed. Anywho, now I am in the kitchen and as usual, these distractors of mine. Hey, my family, I love you. Lakini saa zingine energy iko down. Do your people do this to you? But these are moments that I really, really, really love and moments that I absolutely cherish because, yeah, this is how we make memories as a family. So, right now, I am just making dinner. And again, my lighting. I don't know if it's a setting that I pressed or something that just happened while I was recording. The lighting and the contrast is just not so good. I'm just doing fried rice. This is something that my family really, really enjoys and loves. It is one of those very simple dinners, lazy dinners. And today, because I don't feel like making anything complicated, I am just doing rice and hiding veggies in the rice. I've just fried onions, put rice, then I've put peas and corn and some pilau masala, and then I will just let this cook. And guess what we are having it with? Tea, mchele karanga na chai. And that is going to be dinner. By the way, there is no need of complicating your life. Make it as simple as possible. And that is what I always preach. On the days that you have energy, go all in. Do whatever it is that you can. But then on the days where anyway you're feeling your energy is down and you're really, really pushing yourself, bare minimum. Just do what you can. Nobody is going to kill you with expectations. Just do what you can and be at peace with it. Learn to give yourself grace. That's it for today's video. Hope you have enjoyed watching and gotten encouraged. And by encouraged, I mean that you have learned to tell yourself that you need grace and you need to prioritize yourself and your energy. You don't need to break your back. On the days that you're having a good day, do what you can. On the days that you're having a bad day, do nothing or do the bare minimum. And that is what I'm going to leave with you today. Think about it. So until next time, thank you so much for being here. We will see you in our future videos. Keep blessed. Baraka
Just
tele.
like iron, sharp as iron, making me stronger, calling me higher.